Google, a direct rival of ChatGPT, has included the new Gemini Pro with its chatbot Bard. It launched Gemini to take on rival OpenAI's AI products. Google's Gemini AI, which analyzes real-time data, suggests the next big technological advance. Are you eager to know more? Get to terms with us. Google has introduced Gemini, a new artificial intelligence model that it says is superior to previous AI models in terms of comprehension, summarization, reasoning, coding, and planning. Pro, Ultra, and Nano are the three variants of Gemini available. So what exactly is Gemini, Google AI? Gemini is the world's most powerful AI model, according to Google. We can use the chatbot Bard as one method of verifying Google's assertions. Being designed from the bottom up as a multimodal tool is one of the main distinctions between Gemini and other well-known AI models. The new AI model was demonstrated by Google in a few instances, exhibiting seamless multimedia interaction, including text, audio, and video. For an even more human-like encounter, it can also blend these modalities. It is anticipated that Gemini will be the most potent AI ever created. It will be able to analyze and interpret images, code efficiently and prolifically, drive data and analytics, master human-style conversations, language, and content, and be utilized by developers to construct new AI apps and APIs. It will also have extensive multimodal capabilities. It is anticipated that Gemini will be present in or potentially power the majority of Google's offerings in the foreseeable future. Do you know that Gemini is something larger than AI? In one form or another, multimodal AI has already been observed. Different generative AI tools that can work from images, text, data, and even code are offered by companies like Microsoft and OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT. All these early AI systems, nevertheless, are only beginning to explore the possibilities of multimodal technology because it is inefficient to integrate many content and data types. For the first time, a machine can mimic human behavior, which is why generative AI is such a huge success. The complexity of the human brain is astounding. It is capable of concurrently understanding and interpreting a wide range of data forms, including words, images, sounds, and text. This enables us to react to stimuli, make sense of the world around us, and come up with original solutions to challenges. And that's the main goal of Google Gemini, a multitasking, multimodal AI that is more like what humans actually do. On the other hand, multimodal AI can only be made elegantly and efficiently using one method. That is the fusion of several AI models into a single one. When creating multimodal AI, machine learning and AI models include graph processing, computer vision, audio processing, language models, coding and programming, and 3D models, which must be combined and coordinated to create synergy. This is a huge, difficult undertaking, and Google hopes to develop this idea to a previously unheard of degree. Is ChatGPT less powerful than Gemini? Many experts discuss parameters when comparing ChatGPT with Gemini. An artificial intelligence system's parameters are the variables that are used to convert input data into output, and whose values are changed or altered during the training phase. In general, AI is more sophisticated and has more parameters. The most sophisticated AI currently in use, ChatGPT 4.0, contains 1.75 trillion parameters. Gemini, on the other hand, is anticipated to have parameters that are 30 trillion or possibly 65 trillion, exceeding this figure. However, large parameter values are not the only thing that gives an AI system power. Have you ever thought about its capabilities? Popular programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and Go can be understood and explained, and the first version of Gemini can generate high-quality code. This, according to Google, makes it one of the world's finest AI models at coding. Gemini Ultra passed multiple coding exams with flying colors. These include the industry-standard Human Eval for evaluating coding task performance, and the author-created Natural to Code test, which replaces web-based information with author-created sources. Another thing that is amazing about Gemini Google AI is that Gemini communicates and sees like a real human. Similar to GPT-4, Gemini is an AI model that is not directly accessible. It serves as a foundation instead, one that Google and eventually other developers may utilize to create products. Gemini can operate across and integrate several forms of information, such as text, voice, image, code, and video, according to Google, which claims that Gemini was designed to be multimodal from the ground up. It is capable of speech recognition, image recognition, and even remarkably clever physics problem solving. Although this feature by itself doesn't distinguish the model from GPT-4, which was originally intended to be multimodal, Gemini's adaptability is noteworthy because it is more than just one model and can operate on a variety of platforms, including mobile devices and data centers. Two of the most important characteristics of a good AI model are its capacity for reasoning and accuracy. Nevertheless, these attributes mean very little without proper safety checks. Therefore, before launching Gemini, Google claims to have used best-in-class adversarial testing techniques to find safety flaws. According to the company, in order to help its model avoid hazards like bias, toxicity, and spitting out content that encourages violence, it has constructed specialized safety classifiers and placed checks in place. Bard will also welcome Gemini. The AI chatbot is using a modified version of Gemini Pro to perform more sophisticated planning, comprehension, reasoning, and other tasks in English. Like ChatGPT Plus, it's likely that this will require a subscription to access. The Pixel 8 Pro is another Google product that leverages Gemini's technology to power a range of on-device experiences. This includes the Recorder app's Summarize feature, which allows you to get an offline summary of recorded talks, interviews, and other content. With the release of Gemini, Google hopes to challenge OpenAI's GPT models. Sissy Xiao, vice president of Google AI's chatbot Bard, stated during a press briefing that Gemini Pro beat GPT 3.5 in 6 of the 8 standards used by the industry. In 7 out of the 8 benchmarks, Google's most sophisticated model, Gemini Ultra, outperformed the more recent GPT-4. To compete with the AI startups, IT companies have been rushing to release their own chatbots and LLMs. According to Google's most recent assessments of Gemini, OpenAI's rivals appear to be catching up. There are a few more things that you should be aware of Gemini. The one thing all about the Bard. Google reports that Bard has been enhanced with Gemini Pro, which provides the chatbot with enhanced understanding and reasoning, among other features. The Gemini Pro-backed Bard is accessible in over 170 countries, only in English. Google claimed that Bard will be integrated with Gemini Ultra in the upcoming year. The business plans to integrate Gemini with its other applications, which include Google Ads, the Chrome browser, and Search, in the upcoming months. Our most adaptable model to date, Gemini, can operate effectively on a variety of platforms, including mobile phones and data centers. Our finest model for scaling across a broad range of activities is Gemini Pro. Our largest and most capable model for extremely complicated jobs is Gemini Ultra, and our most effective model for on-device tasks is Gemini Nano. Its cutting-edge features will greatly improve how developers and business clients use AI to create and grow. Furthermore, expanding on our work in domain-specific models with MedPalm, we are pleased to provide MedLM, our family of foundation models optimized for use cases in the healthcare sector. Customers can use MedLM to access the power of Google's foundation models that have been tweaked with medical expertise in Vertex AI. The launch of Gemini, along with our line of incredible scalable AI infrastructure products, Vertex AI and Duet AI, provides developers and clients with an extensive and potent cloud. With these advancements, Google Cloud is enabling businesses to develop, apply, and successfully implement Gen AI to power their digital transformations. And that's all about it. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like more updated AI news, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to not miss out on any video and to get notifications on time. Don't hesitate to give suggestions for our videos. See you in the next one.